So the next fail happened same day as the stupid router. Is this. I have this cutting board that I'm quite fond of. I was putting these little brass feet on, and 3 of them went smoothly. The final one, the little brass screw sheared off. So I decided to use a metal screw. That also sheared off, even though I had drilled the exact same pilot holes for all of the feet. And now I'm left with figuring out how to get this stupid thing out. I really can't believe this screw sheared off. I wasn't even using a drill. I was just using a screwdriver going nice and slow. And somehow I still managed to mess it up. It's shocking sometimes how you can mess things up, even when you try to be delicate. And I don't know. I'm at a loss for words, but hey, there you go. It happens.